We now go to more from that Ministry of Health press conference now underway. We have an apology this evening from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton. Stakeholders in the medical sector have taken issue with his response to concerns about doctors being unemployed at a time when the public health system is overwhelmed. On TVJ's All Angles with Dion Jackson Miller last night, the doctors highlighted their plight to include a lack of resources, lack of equipment, and the lack of medication. Well, speaking at the press briefing this evening, the minister says his comments were not intended to offend anyone.
I have long indicated that our public health professionals, doctors, nurses, and the supporting administrative team have done outstandingly in terms of responding to health-related threats in our country. We are internationally known, certainly as it relates to all sorts of responses, but certainly in the medical field. And, I have the greatest respect for our clinical or medical team and our medical officers and those who have invested time and effort in preparing themselves to offer this kind of service. I also appreciate the concerns that they have and the concerns that were raised. And I don't want my approach last evening to be interpreted otherwise. We will work together to do what is necessary to correct some of those ills. Many of them are long-standing ills. And I want to say again, there was no offense intended.